हेलो एवरीवन। फैक्टराइजेशंस के नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस को हम लोग आप आगे देखेंगे। जो एक्सरसाइज 3A का जो बचे हुए क्वेश्चन है उसको आज हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14। क्वेश्चन 14 के बाद हम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्वेश्चन 15। तो क्वेश्चन 15 हमारे पास है। क्वेश्चन 15 px माइनस 5q प्लस pq माइनस 5x ये हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है। इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे। देखेंगे कि इसमें भी हमारे पास p है लेकिन इसमें p नहीं है। इसमें p है तो इन दोनों को हम लोग यहाँ पे p कॉमन लेंगे और इसमें से p कॉमन हो जाएगा तो x बचेगा और इस टर्म में से p कॉमन हो जाएगा तो प्लस q बचेगा। अब इस टर्म को हम लोग यहाँ से -5 कॉमन ले लें। -5 कॉमन लेंगे तो ये हमारा हो जाएगा यहाँ से माइनस प्लस बन जाएगा। -5 यहाँ कॉमन हो गया और ये बचा हमारा प्लस q। लेकिन ध्यान से देखिए यहाँ पे भी -5x है तो सबसे पहले ये वाले टर्म को हम लिखेंगे क्योंकि हमारा ब्रैकेट में जैसे यहाँ पे x प्लस क्यू बना है वैसा ही यहाँ पे बनना चाहिए एज इट। सो यहाँ से -5 कॉमन हो गया तो यहाँ x बचा और यहाँ से -5 कॉमन हो गया तो प्लस क्यू बचा। अब इसको हम लोग एक ब्रैकेट में लिख लेंगे तो यहाँ लिखेंगे p माइनस 5 वन ब्रैकेट में और यहाँ पे लिखेंगे x प्लस क्यू वन ब्रैकेट में। ये हो गया हमारा आंसर। इस क्वेश्चंस को हम लोग एक सीरियल क्रम में भी रख के कर सकते हैं। तो इसी क्वेश्चंस को अगर ये टर्म को एक साथ आप लिख लें तो ये ऐसे बन जाएगा। देखिए पहले इसको आप लिख लीजिए px प्लस pq। अब इस टर्म को लिख लीजिए। तो सबसे पहले x को लिख लीजिए -5x माइनस 5q। अब ये दोनों एक जैसे हो गए। अब देखिए यहाँ पे जो q है, अब इसमें से आप जैसे ही p कॉमन लेंगे तो हो जाएगा x प्लस q और यहाँ से -5 कॉमन लेते हैं तो हो जाएगा x प्लस q। यानी कि इन दोनों को आप एक ब्रैकेट में लिख सकते हैं ऐसे p माइनस 5q इन वन ब्रैकेट और x प्लस q वन ब्रैकेट। दोनों का आंसर सेम आया है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 16। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 हमारे पास क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 है। क्वेश्चन 16 है x स्क्वायर प्लस वाई माइनस xy माइनस x। ये हमारा क्वेश्चन है। इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे। सबसे पहले देखेंगे कि इसमें एक्स स्क्वायर है बट इसमें y है, x है नहीं। यहाँ पे x है तो इन दोनों को एक साथ लिख लेते हैं ऐसे एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस xy और इस y को यहाँ पे इसके पीछे लिख लेते हैं x प्लस वाई। अब ये हमारा इस पैटर्न में हो गया। यहाँ से हम लोग x को कॉमन ले लें तो ये यहाँ पे बचेगा x माइनस वाई यहाँ से -1 कॉमन ले लीजिए तो ये हो जाएगा x माइनस वाई। देखिए 1 इसलिए क्योंकि 1 दोनों में कॉमन है, हिडन है, तो 1 को हम लोग कॉमन लेंगे तो इसको लिख सकते हैं -1। तो जैसे ही -1 कॉमन लेंगे तो यहाँ पे -x प्लस x बन जाएगा और प्लस वाई माइनस वाई बन जाएगा। सो हमारा आंसर आएगा x माइनस 1 x माइनस वाई। ये रहा हमारा आंसर। ये क्लास 9 की फैक्टराइजेशन का चैप्टर एक्सरसाइज 3 ये चल रहा है, बुक है RS अग्रवाल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 17। Now we start the question number 17. Question number 17 is 3a minus 1 whole square minus 6a plus 2. 6a plus 2. This is our question. So 3a minus 1 whole square minus 6a plus 2. So we will write as like this is a whole square, that means this is a factor of 2. 3a minus 1 in another bracket 3a minus 1 minus 6a plus 2. We will write as it. Now see carefully, these are the same terms, so we will take the common 3a minus 1 here, and now 3a minus 1 here you will take the common minus 2, so it becomes 3a minus 1. So now see carefully, this is a minus 3a minus 1, here is also 3a minus 1, so we take the common 3a minus 1. Now we can write here 3a minus 1 and minus 2. When we solve this, so we can get 3a minus 1 and 3a minus 1 minus 2 will become minus 3. So our answer is this. Now question number 18. Dear viewer, this question I am going to solve question number 18, and I want to inform that this question I will solve in my language in English, and thereafter I try to speak next question in Hindi medium student. So this is for English medium. If any student are English medium, so he can see here. Now question number 18. I can teach bilingual also, but I teach individually. Now this question I am going to solve in only English medium for English medium student. Now see, here is question number 2x minus 3 x square minus 8x plus 12. First of all, we can see here this is 2x minus 1 whole square minus 8x plus 12. If you see carefully, this and this have the common factor. What common factor? 4. So we can take the common. We can write it is as it 2x minus 3 in another bracket 2x minus 3. Now here we can take the common minus 4, it becomes 2x minus 3. See carefully, here is the 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 3, both common in both terms. So we can say take the common 2x minus 3. So here are remain 2x minus 3 and minus 4. Now this 2x minus 3 in one bracket and another bracket will become 2x minus 7. This is our answer. Next question number 19. I am going to solve question number 19 and we can understand question number 19. This is question number 19. Question number 19 is AQ minus AQ minus A minus 3A square minus 3. First of all, we can see what is the common factor in the both term. So we can see here is A available. So now take the common A. But here is A square and here is not A, but 3 and 3 are common here. So we can easily take the common here A and it become A square minus 1. Here we can take the common minus 3. It become A square minus 1. If we see carefully, this is, now we can write this in one factor. So A minus 3 in one bracket, A square minus 1 in one bracket. Now A minus 3 and we can break this as like A square minus 1 square. So it will become in one bracket A minus 1 and another bracket A plus 1. This is a formula of A square minus 1 square. So we know that the formula of this is one bracket A plus 1 and another bracket A minus 1. It is a formula and we can see this formula is related to A square minus B square. It formula A minus B, another bracket A plus B. So according to this formula, we can solve this question is like this. Next question. So here question number 20. So question number 20. 3ax minus 6axy, sorry, here only 6a, not x, 6ay minus 8by plus 4bx. So now I can match the question. Question is 3ax minus 6ay minus 8by plus 4bx. So this is our question number 20. Now we solve. We can see here 3ax, here is 6ay. So here is 3a and 3a, both are common in this both term. That means 3 are common in both terms. So we can take the common 3a. So here x minus, here will only 2y. Now see carefully, here is 4 and 4 common in both terms. B and B also is common. So we can take the common minus 4b. So it becomes 2y minus x. Okay. So we can write this will as like, if we take the common, you can see here is x minus 2y, but here is minus 2y minus x. It is not same. So first of all we will make same. So how we will make same? we will take the common plus 4. When we take the common plus 4, we can write it will become plus and it will become minus. So now we can write in proper way. So 3a minus x minus 2y plus 4b. Now we write first x minus 2y. So it will become, now we can write this and this in one bracket. So it will become 3a minus, plus 4b. And this is x minus 2y. So this is our answer. Next question, question number 21. So question 21. Question 21 is ABX, A B x square plus A square x plus B bx plus AB. Now abx square plus a square x plus bx plus ab. So here is a question, we can take common factor. So first of all we will find out where is common factor. So we can see here is a available, here is also a available, here is x, here is x. So we can take ax common. So it will bx plus a. Here b, both have the b. Here is only x. So now we can take b. So here is x plus a. First of all, we will match the question. Question is abx square plus a square x plus b square x. This is mistake. So we will write here b square. When we take the b common, one b is left, so we will write here b. Now you can say both bracket are same. So we can write these and these term in one bracket, ax plus b, and this we can write in one bracket, bx plus a. This is our answer. Again I explain, this is abx square plus a square x. First time I have write wrong here, only b right, but here is not only b, it is a b square x plus ab. Now we can take the common a, because a is available here and here also. X square, in x square x and x are available here, so we can take common ax. So it become bx plus a, plus here we can take the b common, it is become bx plus a. We can say bx plus a, bx plus a both are same, so we can write in one bracket, and this we can write in one bracket. So we can write ax plus b in bracket bx plus a. This is our answer. Now question number 22. So question 22. X square, sorry, x cube minus x square, x cube minus x square plus ax plus ax plus x minus a minus a. I'm sorry, 1. So we can solve this x cube minus x plus ax plus x minus a minus 1. So first of all we take the common. Here is x square, here is x square. So easily we can take the common x square. So it becomes x minus 1. Here we can take the common a, but in this section and in this section we can take the common. So a, it will become x and it will become minus 1. Now we can write plus, if we take the common 1 in this section and here, so it will become plus 1 x minus 1. Now we can write x minus 1. Either we can take in these term x minus 1 common. So it becomes x square plus a plus 1. So this is our answer. This x square, this a, and this 1 is here. Now these are common. We can take and write here. Now our answer is this. Now we will solve question number 23. This is a question number 23. Question number 23, 2x plus 4y, 2x plus 4y minus 8x, 8xy minus 1. Now we will solve it. So 2 both are available here, so we can take common 2, so it will become x plus 2y. Now here we can take the comma. So 2x plus, first of all, 2x plus 4y minus 8xy and minus 1. Okay, here is no common anywhere, so we will not write as like this. First of all, we can write in the proper form. We can write this term and this term as like 2x minus 1. Here we can write, take the common. This is minus 8xy plus 4y. Now here we can take the common 1, so it will become 2x minus 1, and if we take here common 4y minus 4y, it will become 2x minus 1. Now we can say both brackets are same, so we can write 1 minus 4y in one bracket and 2x minus 1 in one bracket. This is our answer. Next question number 24. Question number 24. AB in bracket x square plus y square minus xy in bracket a square plus b square. Now we solve. It will become